Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all of the crazy things that I seem to step on. Hi, welcome. It's been, a few days. We had Christmas. It is now Monday, the 28th. I've got my coffee, and I am ready to talk about today the future of voiceover. And I think it's a relevant topic, right? We're going into 2021, and I thought I would take a few minutes and talk about some of the things that, I think we should all pay attention to moving forward into voiceover into 2021 and in this next decade. So anyways, I hope you had a wonderful break. I did. It was a blast. It was so nice to spend time with the family. It was nice to not do some work for a few days. So that was always a blast, but I'm excited to get back in the groove of things and to put out this video. The future of voiceover, I think right now, is something that we all should take in consideration because, let's be honest, and I really truly believe this. I think 2020 was a voiceover gold rush. I mean, really, if you think about it, look at the growth in the voiceover industry in 2020 was just incredible. And I think, it's tough to talk about something good happening in 2020, but voiceover definitely had a massive boom, and of course many people unfortunately getting laid off or not looking for alternative work because of the crazy situation with COVID-19. But I think that it's no secret that voiceover is growing. I've been seeing more commercials for it. More AI is being put out for it. I mean, there's clearly more of a demand, and that's also because more and more people are working at home as freelancers doing other work, and they need voiceovers as well. So more and more work is coming out and being available. So anyways, with that being said, I think it's important to look at the future from the standpoint of, right now we've all really worked hard, or I've worked hard to help educate people about all of the stuff like, Fiverr and Upwork and freelance websites, the pay-to-play websites. We've talked about email marketing, talked about social media. I think that the big thing for me is that I see most people still getting stuck around the idea that we just offer this one service. And again, I'm not saying that you have to do this, and please make sure whatever, I give advice I give today, it fits into your business plan. But I think it's so important moving into 2021 to, make sure you have multiple streams of revenue, not just one. Right? We're not just relying on one site. We're not just relying on one place for money. We have multiple streams of revenue of all different types. So that one thing, I think the whole point of this is that, at least for me, for 2020, I definitely saw how something could be changed in a matter of no time at all, right? It just something could happen immediately. And I think because of that, it made me even think more about, well, hey, how can I diversify to plan for things like this in the future? I mean, you can never really plan for something like this, but if you think about what are things that will always be there, or at least that we can semi-plan for, and I think as a voiceover artist, there's so many options that we have available, not just offering voiceovers, but what are some other things we can do as voiceover artists? We can help people edit, and we can help them, fix their audio. We can also, like right now, I'm doing a video. We can also do videos. We can do podcasts, but there's other things, right? Like books. I mean, you and I do books. We do audiobooks. Well, who's to say that doing an audiobook that was, pre the 1920s, right? Many of us get paid to do books in free domain, right? And then publishers take those books, republish them, use our voiceovers, and then they're selling them. Why can't we do that? We can, right? Why can't we sell meditations and, stories for people to go to sleep at night? Why can't we sell those to consumers? We can. Why can't we, hire people to do work for us in order to get more work. Like, do you see where I'm going with this? There's so many different options out there, and you might also have other options. Like, you might also do things like consulting, or you might do things like resume writing, or you might make logos, or you might, make music tracks. You might do music. I'm not saying that we're not doing voiceover. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to do voiceover until I die. I love it. But I'm saying that it's also a great idea to look at creating other streams of revenue. It's very beneficial. And my recommendation is, as you go into 2021, pick two different things that you can also work on the side. I love the idea, the 80-20 rule for everything. Put 80% of your effort into voiceover, but 20% of that effort should go into building something else. We shouldn't be just one faceted. Now, don't mistake this for I don't mean you shouldn't go deep into voiceover. You should go as deep as you can go into voiceover, but that doesn't mean that we also aren't paying attention to other things that are happening. Like, for example, I have to tell you, if tomorrow there was some way that I could get into AI as a business owner, right? Like as a voiceover artist, and use AI to supplement my business and to help it grow, I would. Because I'm a business owner. I'm not, someone who is going to die on top of the mountain. All right, I embrace change, and I want you, hopefully, to keep an open mind and embrace change as well. Now, I will promise you this: I never feel like I will do anything that will harm, directly other voiceover artists or other people in general. That's not who I am. But it's important that we don't sit back and not pay attention to what's happening. All right, for moving forward into the future, that we keep our eyes open. Be aware, recognize opportunities when they arise, and go after them while maintaining and still continuing to grow our base business, which is voiceover. So I just wanted to put this out and to get your mindset as we move forward, thinking about new ways for you to generate revenue on top of your voiceover business to grow and to be more secure. I mean, if anything, I know 2020 makes me just want to be secure. So I hope this video helps. It's wonderful to see you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Head over to Avio's Journey. We have a Christmas special or a holiday special still going on until the end of December. So check that out. It's always good to see you guys. Have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.